Hang on. Dig right. Ah.
Welcome back. Thank you for staying tuned. Day 3 with the Bacon Bandits.
We're all packed up. I didn't say it's day 3. It's day 3. We're all packed up. Yesterday we canoed to the mouth of the Malane. Today we're doing the whole river, and we'll be camping on an island.
So we're off on day 3 like a herd of turtles. It's a beautiful day. You can hear the rapids right now, and we're hoping we can run some. We want minimal portaging. I think we all would prefer to even line a lot of these. So water levels are super low this year though, so likely we'll have to do more portaging than anything, but we'll keep our fingers crossed because we want to send it. Let's go. So their first portage, just seeing if it's worth it to line. Our plan was to come through here, and then when we were looking at it from the angle over there, it looked doable to go in between that rock and that rock, but we're just kind of really pushing it with the amount of space for error, because we literally only have a spot wide enough for the canoe in between that rock and that rock, and not worth it with our Kevlar canoes. Hey, should we send it?
Full send, boys.
Full send.
Full send.
It's day 3 and we just did our second portage, and we got a little set of rapids to line, and then we got 2 more portages after that. Yeah, we're gonna run this one. Yeah, we're good. Hang on. Dig right. Ah. Woo!
Well, those guys are full sending it. We're ripping lips.
Slay with my stubby rod
What do you got?
that I broke. Just a little back here.
Okay, we gotta go in for a picture.
What do you got? What do you got, Braden?
I got a bass.
That was potentially our last portage for the day. Time for some lunch. Hey Chris, don't cut your thumb. So at lunch, And off we go down the Malign River into the headwind. So we just crushed off Tanner Lake, just buried our heads and went hard. And we are approaching Tanner Rapids. Maybe another hour of paddling and find ourselves a site to settle down for the night. We got lots of fish to make, so that's exciting. I wouldn't mind going for another swim. It is cooking. Let's go. No, it's good. How's it look? What's the consensus? Up or down? It's a thumbs up?
Thumbs up, man.
All right, time to wash the stink off.
So today we canoed the Malign River, start to finish. We didn't hit as many rapids as we were hoping we'd find, but we found some that were good. And we fished like crazy, as you can see behind us.
You're watching Campfire Cooking with Riley. What's for dinner? Pasta. We're gonna make some spaghetti. So right now I'm gonna cut up some onions, peppers. I got Nicholas starting the ground beef that's on the fire right now. Tom's got a pot of water boiling for the noodles. To cut that up, cook the ground beef, put it all together, add the pasta sauce after, start seasoning it, then that's it. Fucking right, Stomp.
Can you not fart by my head?
It happens.
You know the noodles are done when they stick against the red pine. They're not done.
A few moments later.
Now let's see if these noodles are ready.
Now, just remember, we gotta feed everyone here. There's only 6 of us, so ration this. We can't just all go for it and get right off the get-go.
Good stuff.
Well, it was a big day. We fished and ate a ton. But we didn't go too far. And as you can see, it's getting late. It's dark out. The stars are almost out. And that's a wrap. Stay tuned for day 3 of the Bacon Bandit Adventures.
It is day 3.
Oh! Hey man, stay tuned for day 4 of the Bacon Bandit Adventures.